Welcome. If you want to change language in your PlayStation Vita, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to scroll down and find language. Select system language, and in this place you can pick one of the available languages. So if you want to switch from English United Kingdom, just click X. Click yes one more time. Now just wait a little bit. And that's it. Below you can also change input languages for your keyboard. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.